Alright, so this is another one of my meals. As you can see, we got some chicken soup going on here with some potatoes. I got some tomatoes in here, some white rice. So you got your sources of protein with the chicken. Got a little tomatoes going on, which is really good for you. The carbs in the potatoes and the carbohydrates in the potatoes. So this is a classic example of another bodybuilding meal. It's lean, it's light, and with about 45 minutes to about an hour, depending on what type of soup it is, you can make this really quickly. So here's another example of another bodybuilding meal.